Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about a customized AI chatbot using Vertex AI agent. So the problem statement is, if you wanted to get any info, any proprietary info or custom info of your company from ChatGPT, it is not possible. So in such cases, we can use this m- methodology to create a AI chatbot and query your proprietary info to this particular chatbot, which we will be building today, so that it actually provides all the info you're looking for. So the manual approach would be, let's say, you need some XYZ information from your company. Uh, the employee has to go to each of the document and go through all of that, and then he need to figure out uh, the information. But using this chatbot, what it does is it actually reduces the amount of effort by providing direct info as we get from ChatGPT. So tools we will be using here today is Vertex Agent Builder, that's from Google, and also I will be showing integration with Slack. So let's say your company is using Slack as a messenger app, so you can directly integrate this particular AI chatbot with your Slack, so that people can directly interact with the AI chatbot without needing any additional interface. So coming to demo, let's go to GCP console. I created a Vertex chatbot project, but yeah, you can use any of the project which you may have. Vertex agent builder. So I'll be creating a app. So I'll be selecting, as I mentioned, it is a chatbot. I'll be selecting chat, and I actually using some random imaginary company name, Imagix, and Imagix custom agent, and I'll just go with the continue. And basically, data store is where you actually provide all your data. That's how this particular agent would know where it need to look for when you ask for a question. So I'm creating a data, and I will store everything in the Google cloud storage. So I'm selecting Google storage, and actually I'll, before prior to this, I need to create it. So I'll just open a new tab and try to create it. So I actually have all the info here, but I actually generated one more file. So I'll just upload it now, and then go back here, and then I'll just select that particular folder, specifically this particular document which I uploaded, the full description. I'll just do file and then select the full description and continue. It's asking for Magix custom data. So basically, what we have done till now is we created an app and then attach that app to data store. Data store is attached to Google Cloud Storage. Okay, here it will actually show. As of now, it is learning, so it is basically importing all the documents. Here in this case, we are just importing one particular document. But yeah, if you have a lot of documents, you can just select the folder and then you can dump all your documents there, and it will do all the effort for you. So coming to the document, right? So what do we have in this document? I'll just show you glimpse of it. I just created uh, so basically it's a dummy company, and then I dumped all the information, overview, what it does, employees, current CEO, former CEO, payroll, uh, and some Jira tickets, pending tasks, in progress, recent, and some IP addresses. These are all dummy values, but yeah, I just generated, and then I just gave input to the chatbot. Okay, so as of now it is still in progress. Once it completes, it I'll resume the video again. Yeah, while it is in still progress, we can actually move forward with the integration part. So let's go back to the app. So this is the app. Once you click on here, it will actually open a dialog flow UI where you can actually test the agent. So I can just say, hi assistant. So what is kicks? So if you see, it actually was able to answer us. So similarly, this works fine, but we wanted to integrate with the Slack so that it is embedded into the company's system. So users can actually use, if the company uses a Slack channel, they can use the Slack channel to invoke the AI chatbot as well. So they don't have to come to separate console and use this. So coming to the integration part, so once you come to Dialogflow, there is something called build and manage. So go to the manage, and then you have integrations. So there are a lot of other options. So since Slack is popular channel, I just wanted to show for the Slack. So let's do connect, and it actually provides a very good documentation. So coming to the documentation, we need these details to integrate. So so first we need to create a Slack bot. So navigate to Slack apps. Yeah, looks like I already created, but no worries. I can just create new one from manifest, and I'll select this is the old workspace I use, so that's okay. And go to JSON and remove these, and then copy paste from here. And it didn't like to have display information. What's the error here? Okay, let's do it again. JSON paste. Yeah, it's okay now. Display name is here. I'll just do I'll just do next and create. So this step is done. Once the demo is done, I'll just try to delete this. But yeah, now boot install your application. So I need to go here and do the install app install, and that's the workspace I have. And so I already have a Imagix channel, so I'll just do use that and do allow. So now basically the app is installed into our workspace, and we need to get a bot user OAuth token. So this is the one, and then go to your dialog flow and paste it here. And the next step is you need to get the s- signing secret. Yeah, here you have signing secret. I'll just copy paste here and then paste it, and then you need to start. Once you start, we'll have a webhook URL which you need to add in the Slack. Okay, and if you see uh, webhook, choose, yeah, environment subscriptions, and go to event subscriptions and click here. So it just verified, and then I will do the save changes, and that's it. Now it is integrated. Now let's go to, so if you see it says app and then Imagix AI chatbot. Let's say hi. So if I ask how many Jiras are in progress and to do, I can just ask it. It will just provide the details. Yeah, I'll just ask which of the Jiras are in progress state, and it did provide me these details. And I can still go on ask further questions and who is working on it. So I wanted to know what's the description of that. So I can just ask description. Okay, probably I need to ask this way. Description for, yeah. So it did give me all the information, and I can ask more questions if I wanted to know more about the environment or something, or some components in this company, what the platform, all those details. I can just, so if you see it has multiple components: optimizer, predictive engine, data processor. So I can go on ask all this question. Where is it deployed? Yeah, it does give good information on where it is deployed and all this, but at the same time this particular bot is not using any internet now. So if I wanted to get information from internet, I won't be able to get it. So if you see, if I wanted to know some generic information, who won NFL 2023, it clearly says it is company proprietary AI assistant and it can't provide more info. Additionally, you can ask any other info as well. I mean, like if you wanted to know GCP, Gembox server IP, and then it just provides the IP. And if you wanted to know what are the Kubernetes clusters which are running and how many of them, each of the nodes in each cluster, you can just query and then it just provides the information. Yeah, this is the demo for today. If you have any questions, please comment. And for more good content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.